Okay, the girls are doing a fun activity that we got the idea from the Miquon math curriculum.
Hi, Mommy.
Actually, I think you're supposed to say Miquon, but I've been saying Miquon for years, so that's how I'm going to say it. So what you do is pick a number to put in the middle of your paper. Zoe chose 100. He even chose 20. When you're first starting with the rods, you should probably choose small numbers like 4 or 6 or something like that. And then they are making boxes or ovals or rectangles that they are going to...
circles.
Or circles. That they're going to put... well, I don't think you'd call them number sentences. I'm not sure what you'd call it. They're going to put...
Look what I'm writing. And rhombuses.
Addition or subtraction or multiplication or division problems in there. And then what they write inside of these little shapes has to equal their number in the middle. So whatever Haven writes inside these has to equal 20. And whatever Zoe writes has to equal 100. So it looks like she wrote 25 times 4. And Zoe, you don't even have to write equals. Do you remember that? Equals 100. You can just do 25 times 4.
I know, but I want to.
Okay. And then she draws a line because it means this is the same as that. Now when you're doing this with kids who are first learning, you can do, let's say their number in the middle is 5. Okay, so here's a 5 rod. And you could do this, well, they could do this and see that, oh, 2 plus 3 is 5. So inside one of these, they could write 2 plus 3 and draw a line to their 5. And they could see that, let's see, 9 minus 4 is 5. So they could write...
in this tiny rhombus.
Okay, they could write 9 minus 4 in one of their shapes.
Watch.
Or they could, if they understand multiplication,
20 times 1.
they could write 5 times 1 in one of the shapes. Or they could do, what else?
What else?
They could do, here we go, 1/2 of 10. So that would be 1/2 times 10 if they've worked with fractions a little bit. How about maybe division? They could do maybe, how about this? "15 divided by 3 is 5, because we see that 15 divided by 5 is 3. Or we could put 5 3s under there, and that would work too.
There.
So,
2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2.
oh, that's right, and you can also,
Plus 2 plus 2 plus 2.
you don't have to have just 2 numbers in your problem. There's Haven's really long one. Do you have 10 2s there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. So all those equal 20. So you can get really super creative. Let's see how creative you guys can get with these.
Okay.
Come up with some really crazy ones. See, Zoe wrote half of 200.
100 plus 10 minus 90.
Very good. 100 plus 10 minus 90. So this helps them gain facility with manipulating numbers.
What's manipulating?
Oh, like moving around and understanding. All right, what other crazy ones can you come up with, little girl?
I did 100 plus 200 minus 200 is 100.
100 plus 200 minus 200 equals 100. Yep, that's right.
I don't think you should make those tiny ones anymore.
Yeah, I don't know how those tiny ones are going to work.
20 times 1.
20 times 1?
Jeepers creepers.
20 times 1. Okay, let's see some more interesting ones. How interesting can we get them?
Mommy, I think I'm gonna do these 3 last ones. I'm gonna write like 3 times 15.
Oh, like they're wrong?
Yeah, and then I'll not draw.
And not
then
draw a
I'll
line?
like cross
Okay.
that.
Yeah, you could do that. So she's gonna write some in here that are not 100. 3 times 15. And then she won't draw a line to the 100 because it doesn't equal 100.
I wrote 3 times 15 does not equal 100, and then I put X.
Okay. What are you doing, Munchkin? 20 minus
9 plus 8 does not equal 20. Mama, I wrote 20. I wrote 2 times 200 does not equal 100.
Yep, that one works too.
Listen, 20 minus 9 plus 8 does not equal 20.
Haven, can you get a fraction in there?
Sure.
What kind of fraction can you do?
1/4 of 100?
Yeah.
Is 20 1/4 of 100?
1.
Are there 4 20s in 100?
There's 4 25s in 100.
Yeah, there are 4 25s. There you go.
There.
1/5. And how do we write of when
Look
we're
at 100
when we're
minus
writing math?
59 does not equal 100.
Yeah, that's true. So Haven's writing 1/5 of 100. Yay! That equals 20. And Zoe, what do you want me to look at? Oh, this one?
100 minus 59 does not equal 100.
That's right. This also develops critical thinking skills in here too.
You know what? I want to turn it over and do it with another number.
Okay, what number?
50.
50.
I'm going to do this one.
What are you going to do? All right, so Haven wanted to do another one, and she chose the number 200. So she's got 200 times 1 and 1/5 of 1,000. So you see how she transferred her knowledge of, on the other side of the page, she said 20 was 1/5 of 100.
There.
And she understands place
9
values.
plus 1
so,
plus 100 plus 90. That's a crazy one.
so she was able to transfer that knowledge into bigger numbers. No use for the rods once she has it in her head. The rods are not a crutch for her. They just enable her to understand the concepts and then move forward with the symbols. So, what do you got over here, Zoe?
I know this isn't good, but
1 times 50
equals 50.
Yep.
1/2 of 100
100.
equals 50.
Yep, that's true.
I'm going to do some crazy ones.
She's going to do some crazy ones. What's Haven doing? 9 times 100 minus...
1 minus 2 does not equal.
9 times 100 minus 1 minus 2 does not equal 200. You're right about that.
Mom, 25 plus 20 plus 4 plus 1 equals 50.
Yep, good. So you're working on number bonds there. You guys
Ooh.
want to keep going with that?
Easy. This one's easy.
Or do you want to do a different one?
25 plus 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 25.
There you go.